going to sleep what?
So you don't have a drawing job?
This is OT SIT, right? మీ క్రెడెన్షియల్స్ తో లాగిన్ అవుతారని అడిగాను మళ్ళీ
Ahima, इसमें FSJ under GIS, it should only 6 FS which you have sent.
Yeah.
But you have got so many interfaces.
Yeah, for each interface you don't find FS.
Oh, okay. Then you will tell us.
I mean, like this FS documents is not necessary because this. I mean, earlier in the beginning stages we were like testing this all the scenarios and whatever the account validations, and now you don't need to do any kind of validation.
But some documentation do you have? Any other documentation?
All the documents which I have shared with you. Other than that,
these are the documents, huh?
yeah. Other than this, we don't have any. Today I'll explain like how you need to load EDI POs using Linux. Okay. So first of all, sterling program.
That's something I need to ask Karthik, right? Access to Sterling application?
Sub-application.
And also PUTI access.
PUTI we have it.
PUTI we have it, right?
PUTI credentials, user credentials.
User credentials.
User credentials. PUTI user credentials. Login.
Server is Boslas 10.
We can access the server, but login credentials we want.
Okay. Too slow.
It comes in, okay. Give that monitor. Monitor. वहाँ पे केबल खुला हुआ है. ये केबल खुला हुआ मॉनिटर यहाँ पे अच्छा. I think this monitor is not okay.
आया था अभी.
नहीं वो कुछ उसका या तो डिस्प्ले का प्रॉब्लम है तो मॉनिटर का प्रॉब्लम.
No, it showed that control alt del वाला screen आ रहा है. But it was pulling it up. I think
No, ठीक है.
सब कट.
Why this is
नहीं ठीक है. वंदना बोल रही आया है तो शायद हमने टाइप ज़्यादा
when
किया
you
होगा.
pulled it,
No,
it
that's
came
okay.
in.
Let's see.
So the shipment KT is done, right? Are you able to done?
Video is there.
In the monitor.
It's a cable problem.
Very slowly.
काम कर रहा है मोबाइल.
ऊपर
ऐसे
What do you want to do?
ये आ गया.
वो E है तब से. It never changed to H. You want to try with this again?
किसका? कॉन्फ़िगर करना पड़ेगा.
He said, what did he say? Configure करो. If this starts working,
छोड़ एक मिनट उसको वैसे रखना.
it is working.
बस ये हिलेगा तो जाएगा फिर. ठीक है ना आदमी ने. ये तो ये सिस्टम वेटर है.
Balance system.
The display का प्रॉब्लम हो गया. You have to be very careful if you are moving it anywhere. It's going down. Or we'll do one thing. ఇది అక్కడ కనెక్ట్ చేసేవచ్చు కదా, కనెక్ట్ చేస్తే ప్రాబ్లం ఉండదు.
Connect to what?
ల్యాప్టాప్ కేబుల్.
Laptop to PC, sir.
Hello?
Display, see?
Then
Anna.
But before that, we need to make sure that Adobe and everything is working.
రైటింగ్
నేను కొద్దిసేపు అయ్యాక ఒక 1-2 hours తర్వాత చేస్తాను, 5 తర్వాత చేస్తాను అన్న. ఫ్రీ ఉంటారా మీరు?
ఓకే, నాకు పెట్టండి.
నేను మాట్లాడతాను. ఓకే, ఇది కూడా పోయిందా?
ఈ కనెక్టర్ कैसा स्विच इट्स एबल टू कनेक्ट प्रॉपर्ली or not. That's the case, then let देखो एक बार कनेक्ट करते हैं. URL gets open. Yeah, I'm saying just open
What
it
is
and
this?
see the speed.
Red mark.
don't worry about it.
This is net connected to
This, they enable all the ports.
They can get ready. System use.
Use this. Ask me later. I think we have to use the full UI, like 10 minutes.
Shall I start?
So what is it?
This is very fast.
If we have some Adobe WebEx here, we'll record it so fast.
So out of can you search for this now? Maybe we should log in and then start the process.
Just go here and refresh. I will do it.
No, but if you just move it, okay. మేడం శివాకి ఒకసారి ఎవరా? శివ, ఈ సిస్టమ్ అసలు ఎక్కడ ఇది ఎక్కడి నుంచో పట్టి తెచ్చారు మొత్తం. దాని డిస్ప్లే కేబుల్ ఏమో కొద్దిగా కదిలితే ఎగిరిపోతుంది. అవునా? ఓకే.
దరిద్రంగా ఉంది. కరెక్టేనా?
Correct, exactly. Exactly, you are right. So this is how EDI order looks. Order source will be D and it shows as EDI order and it will have a PO number. This is nothing but purchase order number.
Once we do the load processing, so we will have the orders available here automatically. Or we need to done the sterling job and import it.
Yes. After you have load this particular EDI order, you need to run business process 850_inbound in GIS sterling.
Process into OTC.
Yes, to process into pre-staging. In order to process into OTC, you need to run another OTC job, PO input. Yeah.
So what are the EDI orders? See, I have an HPC OTC application. I create an order here. Even I create a web order, mail order, different orders.
You can't create web order through this screen.
Oh.
This only the order source D is nothing but ED orders will only loaded through GIS and web orders also loaded through GIS.
All
So
the orders coming from different.
So how can you search that ED orders
with order source D?
You search it and we can control that level?
Yes.
Automatically.
Yeah. If you want to see the web orders, then order source will be W.
What are the web orders?
Web orders is nothing but the orders comes from a different distributor. There are like Chronicle or Abrahams or Faden.
So those are different interfaces. So
Yeah.
if you see the name of the interfaces are Chronicle Web Orders, Faden
So
Web
they are
Orders.
non-ED orders,
These are
right?
distributors.
Those are non-ED.
Whichever is coming from them, those are called Web Orders.
Those are non-ED orders.
Non-EDA.
These are EDA, those are non-EDA.
So now I'm taking one PO number. W5 7 3 9 1 3. A22. This is not the good. Okay, I'm taking this ED order. So just look at receive date. Receive date is 08/22/2013. That means this PO has been loaded in August 08. So now we need to search in the 08, like 8th month POs. Okay, for that. Okay, this I'm logging into the Boslas 10. This is the test server. Okay, and just I'm connecting to production /. Prod JRS data
దరిద్రంగా ఉంది. There is connection. If you touch it, it goes. That is it.
application data 850.
Hello?
Lochan?
So actually this PO is having loaded in
Lochan,
2013
I'm calling from
08th
purpose
month. So I am searching
can you
in
send
the
someone
directory.
here?
850 is nothing but here
Machines
is
are
the
very
folder
contact.
where all the EDI orders will be available. 850.
So,
So I am searching
each
in the
time it's coming and going out.
850 folder. In that 2013 there is
We are
another
having a
folder.
PT session over
Year
there.
by year the folders will be there. And in that
On the
2013
reception
I am
folder.
searching it for the 8th month.
Reception का attached है ना?
Okay, enter.
हाँ.
So in order to search with the
Krishna
PO,
Namaste,
PO number, this is the command grep minus
KT चल
L.
रहा हूँ, वो actually lose contacts के आ रहा जा रहा हूँ.
we need to give the PO number.
जल्दी भी जाए ना, please.
I think I lost it.
Okay. Space star.
बाहर करने से इधर आ रहा है.
Is it problem? Because
I think on the Friday it was right, right? Okay.
Here you'll
Yeah,
find.
right, so clean చేసినప్పుడు అవుతుంది.
Yeah, might be.
So this command will search us with this PO number in the 8th August file, and it will return the file name if any search is found.
Sorry, what is it? 850 again? It's name of the folder, right?
850, yeah, it's folder structure. 850 is nothing but EDA orders. This is the folder wherein all the
Always it
EDA.
will be 850 or
Yes,
850?
always it will be 850. For EDA.
Everything is well documented, it's fine. Documented a company.
Oh.
Which document?
I mean, I have prepared a document for this, all the flow.
That's what it was missing there. So searching there. So please send.
Yeah. I mean, that was my personal document. Actually, I have prepared that.
Okay.
So you don't find in that that information.
Any document. Which you
Yeah. I'll send you after this session. This is very slow.
In the simple
Even
network,
actually
right?
this one also is not getting into it.
Still you are facing that problem with that machine?
It's connected but it is
No, నేను చెప్తాను అడ్జస్టెన్స్ పెట్టాను.
Oh, okay.
మరి ఇంకెళ్ళండి ముట్టుకోండి ఆ కేబుల్ కింద
No,
సిస్టమ్ దగ్గర కొద్దిగా ముట్టుకోండి
Okay.
కేబుల్. పర్లేదు ఏమవుదు స్పార్క్ రాదు ముట్టుకోండి. రైట్ చూడండి. ఏదో ప్రాబ్లం ఉంది ఐ థింక్ అక్కడ కిందనే ప్రాబ్లం. ఇక్కడే దిస్
Yes, sir, మన ఐ మీన్ వీకెండ్ లో మరి వీళ్ళు క్లీనింగ్ లో దాంట్లో ఏం చేశారు కానీ
సరే వదిలేదు. వచ్చేటప్పుడు 2 రోజులు అయిపోతుంది.
పల్లవి లేదు ఇప్పుడు షీ హాజ్ రిజైన్.
No, Pallavi is gone.
పల్లవి is gone. She got in Reliance Bombay.
వినోద్ ఉన్నాడా? వినోద్ వెళ్ళిపోయాడా? వినోద్ is there. So who are all other new faces and systems?
ఏంటి సార్ ఓకే
Right.
No one is not addicted to that.
You know, we are getting a lot of issues. I mean, we are stuck up with this pop-up every time we are trying to log in OTC.
Which
That
pop-up?
Security pop-up.
Yeah. Even I'm
Do
facing.
you guys have any solution for that?
No, actually, we are also facing the same issue. Maybe it's a browser issue. Maybe some kind of settings we need to change.
Have you done anything?
No, even I am facing the same issue.
so everybody
Every
faces
time,
the-
yeah.
Past 3.5 years.
No, not past
Hmm.
3.5 years. Recently, we are facing this.
Have you informed the developers?
This is not the developer issue.
Definitely it would
They
be.
can,
What if end
they
user?
can suggest.
This is the internal issue. Internal problem.
End user also face the same thing, right? Basically they are logging to.
Yeah, like I said, this is a browser issue. There's some kind of settings we need to change. That you need to talk to your
Idea.
yeah.
Maybe we can check with them once. What it is.
So this is the okay. So I have searched with this PO number in the directory 07. This is it returns one file. This is the file. Okay. So in this particular file, there is this PO has been available. Okay. So I need to open this file.
No,
For this
you told that it
08. No, that PO is not available. So that's the
Available.
reason.
So that's
I've
why-
tried another.
Yeah, I have
Okay.
tried another PO. Okay, so I'm opening this file. Okay, VI. Just you need to select and you need to right click.
what is HLD format?
HLD. Yeah.
Means what is HLD?
It's a template.
Template.
Okay, so this is how the file looks. Okay, this is a very specific and predefined length file. So you need to be very I'm saying very careful while loading this POs, because if we if any space or any wrong character has been entered, then this will be failed.
This is the only way we can see this?
Yeah, this is the only way.
So why we are going here?
In order to load this button POs.
Sorry?
To load the EDA orders.
You are loading order from here.
Yeah, from Linux.
This is the Linux.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the Linux. Okay. So this particular file contains so many POs, but you need you need only
How
single
would I know
PO.
these are the PO? These are the orders that I should load into.
Based on your requirement.
They will give the POs from production.
PO number. Yeah.
In the ticket.
Yeah, in the ticket PO number will be mentioned. If at all, if it is not mentioned, then you need to ask like for ask development team for which PO this issue has been raised. They'll provide you some POs.
Based upon that, we need to load this PO.
And there will be some kind of situations in the change requests, and that for that you need to prepare your own file.
Then how to prepare our own file?
Like this.
So,
This is the file.
this is the file. So how can we search
This
that?
is already created file, and based on your requirements you need to change the things. Or if
We can always open an existing one and then we can make changes and save as something else, right?
yeah.
How do we edit this?
Yeah, I'll tell you.
All the line.
So how do you identify that particular PO what we assigned that in this particular PO? How do you identify that? Because lot of POs are there.
Yeah, I'll show you. So this is the PO we are searching for.
Here also control F is there.
Linux, this is Linux, Babu. Okay. Backward slash. And you need to enter. You need to enter that PO number and just enter. It will take you to that PO number. So this is the PO you want to load. Okay. And I'm saying you 10th record. I mean the number starts with 10. This is the header record, and 12 is nothing but it's a shipment record. Okay, and 20, 30. 20 is a detail line and 30 is the trailer record. That I mean, if you want to load a PO, you have to start with 10 and end with 30. This is the complete PO.
For each and every PO, the same
for each
format.
and every PO, you need to start from 10 and end from 30. So this ends the complete PO. So if you miss anything, then it won't be loaded and it will be failed. Okay. So this is you need to take the complete PO. So now you have this PO, right? You need to click on, enter home. Okay, then these are the commands. Command is MA. That means when
You're typing something?
yeah, I'm typing something.
Oh, it's not showing.
It won't be shown. Okay, MA is nothing but you just place the cursor. You just place the cursor on the 10th record, that is at the starting of that particular PO, and you need to press MA. That means from that place we are selecting, and we need to go down, and this is the end of the PO, right? In that colon, single inverted comma, A, comma, dot, W, exclamatory, temp, any of the PO name, you can rename any name. HTML dot text. Yeah, it will copy. So now what I am doing is like, so I have caps lock on.
Yeah, it's on.
Okay, so what I have done is like I'm just place the cursor at the beginning of that particular PO and typed MA and get the cursor to the end of that particular PO, and I have typed this command, that is colon, single inverted comma, A comma dot W, exclamatory, space, temp. That means I'm copying this whole PO to the temp folder, and with the file name as schema.txt. Now if you go to the temp folder and search in this particular folder schema.txt, you will be able to find this PO. Okay, and enter. Come on.
You got the training in Linux commands? All in one you learned? Really?
Document is there, right? Emma will help
That document is prepared by me.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah,
You
it is very easy
Yeah.
for you. It's very easy
What I'm
for you,
telling
but
is-
not.
Telling the previous document is there.
So here you will be able to. This temp schema.txt new docs 4L something 8C return. Okay. Then in order to get back from this, colon Q is nothing but quit. Okay. Now let's see that particular file. Just go to cd temp, then ls
LS left side,
LS minus LRT. I mean this
list.
I don't know, I somehow remember Unix commands.
Yeah.
What is this? To see the
This command will populates all the files that is available under temp location. Okay, our file is hema.txt. So in order to open vi, just you need to select this and right click, then it will be
Unix view.
okay.
Same as Unix commands, right?
Yeah.
Linux?
Same as Unix. So this is the PO that you have floated. Now what I mean another main thing is like you have copied this particular PO from production, right? Since the data refresh will be occurs regularly to OTC SIT, so the prod information will be available in SIT also. So if the same PO, if you won't change the PO number and load this to SIT, it will be errored out since the duplicate order already found, right? There is already one order exists in OTC with this particular PO number. So as and when you need to create a you need to load a PO, you need to change the PO number by appending any of the characters or something you need to change. Okay, in order to change, you need to go to replace mode. Okay, that is shift R. Okay, shift R, you will be able to find in the top replace. Now you need to add any of the characters. Okay, so you need to like whatever the character needs to be added for all the records, all the 10, 12, 20, all the detail and header and trailer records. Okay, so I'm adding H. Actually, I'm appending H to this particular PO number, and this is since in the replace mode, right? Just click on, just select escape and save this. In order to save, :W is the command.
Very good.
Okay, this is written. Okay, in order to quit, Control Q. :Q. Okay, let's check another file. So this has been successfully saved. Okay, this is how you'll this is the basic information I have provided you. Today you have to like do some kind of practice. This is very important. So you need to do some practice, and tomorrow I'll show you like whatever the changes of another.
What was the purpose of doing this?
What is the purpose? To load the EDI order.
To load the EDI order.
To load EDI order.
We haven't loaded EDI order. Just we saw whether the order exists or not in the Linux, but we haven't
The loading process is not yet done. You just copied the. I just copied the PO. Yeah. I just copied a PO from production. I'm placed into temporary location in a particular folder called hema.txt. Okay. Now the load process will be.
You change the file name also, right? H by keeping H, right?
Yeah, I've changed the PO number. PO number also, and the position of let me tell you the position of each and individual column. Since I am used to it, I know like whatever the position of PO number and all. So this is the 10 is nothing but the what kind of a record, whether it is a header record or detail record, that information, and other comes this 12241. This is the account number. This is the source. What kind of account is it? EDI Pro. Okay, and this is the purchase order number. This is the PO number. Okay, and this is the line number. So since it has only one line, it is showing one. If it has another ISBN, another order line, then it shows 2. And this is the quantity. This is the 10-digit ISBN. This is the corresponding 13-digit ISBN, and this is the list price, like so on. Okay, so this is the purchase order. For today, you just remember the PO number. Okay, after this, whatever the source of that particular account, you will be able to find this PO number. Okay. So now I have copied that particular PO into the temp location in this file. Okay. Now I need to load to OTC SIT. Okay. So for that, sudo su. So in order to load any POs, you need to log in as GIS user. So since I am also a GIS user, but this whatever the username I am using is Musirike H. Okay, this is also a GIS user, but in order to load, there is only a specific privileges given to that particular GIS user. For that, you need to use sudo su minus GIS. This is the command which helps us to log in as GIS user. Okay, after login as GIS user, you need to go to that particular temp location.
So one thing, do we need to ask for any permissions for doing this, or it will be given by default if you are able to log into this server, Linux server?
The sudo su you will be able to, just after typing this command you will be able to.
And
No,
this-
as you are having credentials.
Yeah, for this credentials you need to ask.
Just log in.
So what is
Login
it that it
credentials.
does? This login credentials will give
Login credential to read and write access to Boslas 10.
Okay.
Linux system.
Just Boslas 10 server, isn't it?
This will be constant server for all releases.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, read and write access. And read access to production.
Oh, yeah. So production, what server should I take? EDI server? No. What is it called?
Production EDI server.
Production EDI server.
Production server is Boslas 8.
Those classes.
Okay, cd/temp. Okay, I'm going in the temp location. I'm just copying the file. Okay, the file name should be specific, like I'm copying the hema.txt file and I'm placing in this location. There is in specific, in order to load this PO, we need to place that particular file in the specific folders, specific directory we call. So that directory is data staging GIS inbound, and the file name will be 850 inbound.rdy. So whenever the GIS Sterling process has been run, it only picks up the records which contains with the file name 850 inbound.rdy, and that exists in this directory data staging GIS inbound. Okay, the file name is 850 inbound.rdy. So I am copying the hema.txt file from the temp location and I am placing in the data staging GIS inbound directory with the file name 850 inbound.rdy. So this ends the load process. Okay, now we need to run the GIS Sterling process 850 inbound.
No, this is for loading order from the text file.
Yeah.
But if I have an order number, PO number, so what is the step? What are the steps to load the
Same procedure. You need to search for the particular PO number by using command grep -l PO number space star, and whatever the file name that contains that particular PO will be
instead of hemo.txt we'll use the .hlb file here, right?
Yeah. In this, there are like a lot of POs will be available in this HLD file. So, if you want only one or two POs, then you need to.
So that is what I understand is that is for searching already existing ones, right?
Yeah.
If you want to go and see it there, then you go and search like that.
Search
So
like-
it'll give you a file which has those PO numbers.
PO numbers.
But now what we are doing is we want to actually load a PO number into OTC now. For that, what you are doing is you are creating another file there
File.
Right.
with maybe a temporary test PO number, and then you try to load just that, and that will be for our testing purpose.
Yeah.
That's a different process here altogether.
If I want to load the PO numbers,
Hmm.
which that any specific PO, the same steps.
Yeah. Same.
Yes. But at any point of time under that directory from where that picks up the file,
This
there
should be
only
same.
one file.
Only
right?
one file.
And it can have
After that particular business process has been run, it will convert the file.
it converts the
It
file.
converts the file. Yeah.
And it can have any number of records.
It can have any number of records.
So it loads every time the whole file.
Yeah.
So depending on whether it's already existing or not, errors and all that thing will happen, right?
Yes.
Just in order to load the web orders from the Linux.
EDR. This is EDR.
EDA errors.
Yeah.
EDA is nothing but one of the web D, right? Sorry.
EDR is different.
Sources, what sources are?
Order
Sources,
sources.
sources, D.
So these are the steps we have to follow.
Yeah.
And as you said, like there is only one PO number. Even though if you want to load one PO number, we have to load through the file. It will load all other POs.
No. It will load. You have to. I shown you the copying of one file, one single PO, right?
Yeah. No.
Only that PO will be
Right.
copied. Yeah, that
Say
PO.
for example, I search with one PO.
Now, the whole loading process has been done, right? In this I have loaded only one PO, so that
Right.
PO will be loaded.
Right.
Yeah.
But you modified. I mean, you created data.
Yeah, I created it.
But I haven't. I mean, when I search with any PO number, it gave me a file.
Yeah, file.
Okay.
You just
Then-
open that file.
Okay.
In that file, you need to search.
I don't
for
want to
the-
modify. I just want to load that
Okay.
PO.
If you want to just load whole complete file, then you need to just CP that particular file name and data station GIS inbound, and you should rename with 850 inbound.rdby.
If I want to load only any specific PO from that file,
Then you need to copy to another file.
another.
Yeah.
That's a good question.
So now you need to run the GIS styling process. Here, Antanu just hold.
What needs to be opened? Certain thing?
GIS styling.
It's already there. Just type the
Friday. Good.
boss. What is the
10. Versus 10.
boss? Type B. It will come. Yeah. That is the
Total?
3,000, right? Dashboard.
There's one 3000 dashboard total?
that's
Yeah.
Give network credentials.
What is the user
How
ID
much, sir?
password?
Working, yeah?
Anyway, access is not there, but credentials is same color. Network credentials.
కాదు వర్క్ అవుతుంది
Give your network credentials. You have network credentials?
I don't think we have access to certain applications.
That day Krupal is logged in, right?
Krupal has login with my credentials.
Just tell you.
Capital M.
Will not enter.
Capital M,
Don't misuse that. MU
MU,
SI
SI,
RI
RI,
K capital H.
K, capital H,
H capital H B G U S A 1 2 3 4. Only H is capital.
S,
Password, you're telling password.
No,
Yeah.
she's talking about password.
HBS.
Can you tell the
Username is
Mushrike H is the username. And password?
capital H
Capital H
B
B
G USA 1 2 3
ऊपर उनको निकलना है ना
1 2 3
4.
1 2 3 4. Type 1 2 3 4. I think we'll have the access, right? Only we don't have access for the URL from our place.
I don't know, I'm not sure about it. Why, how can you using the DBA?
It's network credentials, right? Basically.
How do you know?
Network
It's network credentials, is it? Same
No,
as,
this EDI team needs to set up.
Okay.
we can try, otherwise
Yeah.
I'll send. I noted it down for today's thing. Madam Chief, I am logged in.
Go to manager,
Business process, right? Under business.
under business process,
Manager.
manager. Just click on that.
Here.
Process
Process name. What is
The process name 850 underscore inbound.
850 underscore inbound.
It's already there. EC underscore
Anything.
STD. And that's the one,
That's the one,
right?
huh?
That's the
Inbound Phoenix.
850 underscore inbound Phoenix. Yeah.
Phoenix.
Just select and just go.
Just go select.
Oh.
You didn't select.
Yeah, it's
Selected. Okay.
Then
Then
we
click
have
on execution manager.
manager, right?
Yeah, click on execution manager first row.
Execution
Yeah.
manager.
It's executing.
Then click on go.
Wait. Where is the go?
Go is not the directly it's execution.
Default execute. Sorry.
What are we doing? We're just running that.
Running the business process.
It will take 10 minutes.
We cannot access the property.
No, it doesn't take 10 minutes.
Action script error we got.
Discuss all.
Continue.
Continue? You can continue?
Continue, yeah.
Flash clear.
Go.
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 No need of again the local desktop.
No. Just click on go.
You were the experts in this now. Next.
So it's running, right? That's it. Yeah, it's already
You see
started.
success finally.
It is, oh,
It's completed.
Why this business process setup basically?
what is it doing?
This business process is set up to load this particular POs to staging tables, restaging tables. It's completed. I'm looking in the control table. It's completed.
Successful.
So now the GIS. In the top you will find the instant ID, right? That is your GIS ID.
Okay.
12703007.
Sunil, देखो आप कौन सा
Instant
instant
ID
ID?
पे है? Oh yeah, instance ID correct.
Okay, 1270. Yeah, that's your GIS ID. You need to search with that particular GIS ID in the PO header pre-stage table. So now you will be able to find one PO with this under this GIS ID.
Is the complete?
No, that is in control table. The control table is already have this complete. So this is your PO that you have loaded. Okay. So now the control table entry will be complete. So this will change to process status when PO import job has been run. That PO import job is used to process this particular POs that was loaded from GIS. Okay, this we need to go to OTC engine.
So connect.
It's already open.
No. Need to.
It's bad. Sinus problems with screen.
Oh. No, if the climate is not, the climate is okay, right?
No, in our office there are great people are doing
Take
renovation.
renovation is
And
fine.
in the middle of everything we are sitting and working
Oh.
actually. Obviously.
You'll have headache, right?
Yeah.
The sinus is hereditary.
Not like it.
No,
It's nothing like that. No? సర్జరీ కూడా చేస్తారు కదా
2 times again.
really?
అంటే సర్జరీ చేస్తే పోదా అండి
Not permanent.
ఇంకా వింటర్లో చాలా కష్టంగా ఉంటుంది కదా సో మీరు ఐస్ క్రీమ్స్ కూల్ డ్రింక్స్ ఇలాంటివి ఏం తాగరు
Kidney push see, she's not.
అయ్యో నేను హ్యాపీ కాదండి The job library, you need to go to your import. So today only my session,
Yes. 3 hours.
3 hours my session.
Yes.
Okay, I don't have any problem to explain you, but I don't think so you guys will be able to take. Yeah, that's the reason actually. These are very critical. That's the reason I am concerned.
I think we don't have any other choice.
If I
Just
tell
call it and leave
no,
that.
if I tell you, I mean everything on a single day, you won't be able
You will
to.
do one thing, maybe get to a logical end here and then start something which you think little bit
Easy, yeah.
easier. This we have to go back and practice, Krishna.
Yeah, this needs to be practiced.
And we are depending on your document. Send it immediately.
Yeah, I'll send you. నాకైతే ఒక్కసారి EDA టీమ్ ఇచ్చారు ఇది ఒకసారి జస్ట్ ఒక వెబ్ సెషన్లో we had this session with earlier EDA team used to load all the POs. Whenever any issue comes, then I need to draft a mail to EDA team saying please load so and so PO number. So after that they have provided a web session for me just for 1 hour.
Oh,
that's it.
.NET commands and all that.
Yeah, that's it. I never seen Unix or Linux before.
No, you're an expert.
So that much talented you are.
Right. They know the talent of
Then
people.
that's the reason they given only 1 hour. You know.
None of members in my team doesn't know the CDA loads.
Oh, okay.
If there are any tests for from their modules also, I load the POs.
So at the time when you are on leave, then
See, that's how important.
our dependency is. She's a key person, I think.
Yeah. That's my problem. That's my big problem. So this has been processed. Now status is processed. So now you will be able to find this PO in order screen. So just take the PO number and go to create maintain order screen. Just go to query mode. See, this is the receive date will be today's date and order source is D and so on.
So received it is nothing but when it came to OTC.
Yes.
Right?
So this is how the PO will be loaded. Tomorrow, I'll see at least 2 to 3 orders you should load.
Okay. Assignment first?
Yeah,
Okay.
at least 2 to 3 POs.
Why are you laughing? Don't do that.
I'll go back to my place, I'll send you a PO numbers. Okay?
Okay.
You
No,
just
we want
search.
us to
Yeah.
load there.
Yeah, you just search in the order screen and take the receive date and whatever the month will be there, you just go to Putty and log in. You can use my credentials, no problem. And just go to that particular folder. If it is receive date is 07 month, 7th month, then you need to go to folder 07. So like that you search with that PO number.
Everything is fine, but then editing that document, copying it and all that stuff. I'm not
Yeah,
sure.
that commands will be clearly mentioned. This is perfectly documented.
Okay.
You just go through that.
Definitely fine.
If you have any doubts, you can drop me a mail. So this is how the loading of the PO. Okay, and once the order has been loaded, this is as usual, same as the other orders. Okay, you need to run pre-processing release. Release after release, there is one interface POA, like I said, purchase order acknowledgement. This is an acknowledgement of these purchase orders that we have loaded to that particular customer or client or distributor. So let's talk about that purchase order acknowledgement interface.
Just close it. Open the video. It's done, right? This one.
Yeah, this is.